Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on People GPT website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in juicebox.work and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Juicebox website. Now from this website, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then proceed with logging into your account by tapping on continue with email. You will then be asked to enter your credentials for your account. Now if you have forgotten your password, just click on the forgot password button underneath the password box and you will be asked to enter your email address. After typing in your email address, click on the continue button and you will be asked to check your inbox. So just check the inbox of the account that you used to sign up and you will find an email from Juicebox AI. Just click on this email and then click on the link within and now you will be allowed to reset your password. Just type in the new password that you wish to use for your account and click on the save button and now your password will be changed. You can then simply go back into the login page and type in your new password along with your original email address to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on People GPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.